Road, danger road. This is danger road. 3 militant killed.
What is there to complain about? Whoa. Oh no. Hopefully it will all work out. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Ram Ram. Pakistan attack. Yes. They cut the power. This is the main mosque here. It's beautiful. I've been filming it all day. I've been staying across the road from it. Anyway, good morning. Hello world and Namaste Dosto. Welcome to another ride here on this channel. Today is another full riding day. It's a bank holiday in the UK, so I have the day off. It's Monday, so no working for me, just riding. I am in Kisthwar, somewhere between Jammu and Srinagar, but kind of off the beaten path along the east side. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning, and I have prepared. Part of this ride is, and the main reason why I took this large detour through Kisthwar, is to ride this mountain pass called Sinthantop. So we're gonna be going up, squiggles, 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 and then back down. So I'm really excited about that, but it also means that it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna hit the cold proper for the first time in India. I have behind me in my backpack another 2 layers that I can put on to cover, but I don't have many waterproof things. The beauty of this place is amazing. You're nestled between all these really steep mountains all around. It's absolutely stunning, this place, Kisthwar. A lot of more Arabic names. You get now a lot more fish and poultry, butchers and restaurants. So the demographics here is definitely different to the rest of India. I can notice it in the day-to-day kind of details of urban life and explorations. I slept okay last night. It was a bit cold in that room. I put on a bunch of extra layers, and yeah, I just got a lot of rest. I was absolutely shattered after yesterday's riding marathon, which for me is a long day. Let's get some kilometers or miles, whichever you prefer, under our belts. A bit of a morning traffic jam here. Let's see if we can squeeze. Okay, let the journey begin. You got some fields on the right, you got some goats, some sheep. Really picturesque. Wow, look at this view, man. There's some snow on top of that mountain. I would take this over the honking in Mumbai anytime. Another rider. I wonder if they're local. Yeah, JK. Nice bike. Where are they going? He's on the phone. You got more people there on the side of the road with horses this time, carrying the blankets and the tents, I guess. Let's see if we can get a glimpse on the other side, but damn, this view. Wow. These are the people that I met yesterday. I mean, not the same people, but the same group of people. Amazing to see. They're everywhere. It's not like just one or two. They're all around these mountains. They're still living the same lifestyle. This road, how beautiful is this? Wow. I mean, at this rate, I'm not gonna make it today to my destination because I'm just stopping everywhere. But wow. Okay, keep going, Valentin. Focus. Gotta focus. How are these guys working at these angles? It seems impossible. What? They're building a new road. Whoa, imagine that thing falling off the... Whoa, don't imagine, please don't fall. But, wow. Drink and drive prohibited. Okay. You don't have to worry about me, my friend. Yep, another truck sliding off the side of the road. Register? Ah, okay. Okay.
1 hour later.
Permission to go?
Yeah, permission to granted.
Permission granted. Thank you. Thank you. Not a lot of foreigners pass through here. Obviously, a lot of locals kind of crossing the land with their animals. But yeah, it's time to hit the road. I've lost an hour here, but I've had coffee. I've had good chats with the lads, the Indian Army, very good guys. They told me if I ever need help or get in trouble, or if there's any trouble, should go to the Indian Army. They will always be able to help, so that's good. Jai Indian Army. And yeah, let's see this road. Apparently 2 days ago, when that big storm happened, 2-3 days ago, there were some problems with landslides and blockages on the way, but we should have a smooth road ahead. 1 hour to the pass, 1 hour to Sinthantop. And a little river crossing. Wow, the mighty Chenab River. Look at it. Sinthan Pass, 69 kilometers. So just over an hour and a half maybe. Cello. You can smell the sheep, you can smell like the wool. It's got a woolly smell, like a raw wool smell. Yeah. This is traffic here in Where are you going? School? G. Okay, can you get up? Okay, my friend, let's go. Okay? You ready? Cello. What's your name? Nam. Aslam. Nice to meet you. My name, Valentin. Going to school, taking Aslan to school. Your age, how old are you? Old? 15?
Yes.
Okay. My balls are on the tank again, but the kid is small, so it's not too bad. Loads of school kids. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning. Everyone's going to school. Where is school? Here? Keep going? Okay. Stop. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. On school duty. Taking the kids to school. Very good. I've taken one kid to further their education. Oh, this road. Sometimes it's just really bad. More traffic jams ahead. Hello. Hello.
बोल इसको आर्मी ने कहा से मुझे परमिशन देनी बोला घंटा मेरा पता
I'll have to. I don't even want to think about it. I have to go back all the way to Jammu. So this guy stopped me here and said I can't go further. I told them the army gave me permission, but they say army doesn't have a role here. Need to go back 10 kilometers to get permission from local police in Chatru. If I even get this flipping permission, Okay, I'm not gonna record this because I'm also running low on memory on my camera. I would have to transfer everything. I'm just gonna go back 1 hour, get this permission, and come back here. I'm gonna teleport back here. For you, it's gonna be a fraction of a second. For me, it's gonna be potentially 2.5 hours.
1 hour later.
Hello, I want to go Srinagar, Sinthantop.
In charge SHO.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Raman to Srinagar and Banhal. Not allow this road. Foreign tourist.
Yes.
Road, danger road. This is danger road. Top, Sinthantop. Sinthantop.
Sinthantop, yes.
Militant coming. Forest area.
Militant.
3 militant killed. Forest.
In forest.
10 days ago. This is very, very dangerous road for foreign tourists.
In charge, SHO.
Sir, hello. Hello, sir. So, I come from Kisthwar. I want to go Srinagar.
Yeah, via this route. This tourist spot has been closed because of the recent massacre of this 26 Indians. Not even the Indian, not even the tourists from the other states are allowed, and especially being a foreigner, and especially in this area which has been totally, suffering from a hotspot area from the militancy point of view.
know.
So please try to understand this particular thing. If you want to go to ride somewhere at point of time, you can go from that point via Ramban.
Big detour.
Yeah, definitely. It's a very big tour, but orders are always an order.
Yeah.
It's not for us, it's for your security, sir.
So, what's the damage? Let's see. I'm in Chatru. 42, that's 6 hours, 7 hours of riding. It's now 11 plus 7. That's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock if I just ride and ride and ride. 8 o'clock, that's just after sunset. If everything goes well, no stops, just ride. 8 o'clock, damn. I'll keep going. If I can't make it, I'll go back to Jammu or sleep somewhere, I don't know. Thank you for your help, sir. Thank you. I go back. Yeah, I go back. Danger area, I know. I go back Doda, Ramdam, Banal and Srinagar. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you. Thank you for your help. Bye. Okay, well, let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna push myself. That police, young police, like commander or whatever, he was from Mumbai, he said. He was very kind. He offered me a coffee and explained the situation to me and everything. He said basically 47 tourist attractions in India have been shut because of the attack. And those places are hard to reach places. Basically, there's no signal, and they don't let even locals set, their shops and set their food stalls and anything like that. Because if they let the locals do that, then tourists will come and they'll start to populate. So they said they were shooting. They've been shooting last week. 3 persons died up there. Like 2 days of riding, I have to backtrack to get to Srinagar. He understands, but he can't let me through. It is what it is. I completely understand. I don't want to make a scene, a fuss. Yes, I'm a bit disappointed, but anyway, enough rambling. Let's ride. I mean, I can't complain. I'm riding through this, it's like, what is there to complain about? Whoa. I'm losing oil. Fuck. Oh no. Hey man, Romania.
Oh.
Hello. How are you? What's your name?
Amanjit Thakur. And
Amanjit Thakur.
Ji.
Valentin.
Acha, theek.
Valentin, nice to meet you. New.
Jammu.
Jammu.
MC इधर है ही नहीं तो इधर मिल जाएगी ना
हो जाएगा
seal
seal this need new part
नहीं थोड़ा जम्मू पहुंचने के लिए कर देंगे ना आपको
Jammu
हाँ तो इधर लगाएंगे M seal हाँ
Where are you going?
I try go Srinagar here, but they said no, police.
Now where are you going?
Now I go back to Doda, back to Ramdan, back to Srinagar. I was gonna go by
Doda way?
Yeah, Doda way.
ठीक. इधर से जाने नहीं दिया.
Kishthwar mechanic.
We'll reach the Kisthwar and then he prepare it. Kisthwar. Tell me your number. I will meet you Kishtwar.
You meet me Kisthwar?
Yes.
But this, how do I get to Kisthwar?
This
You?
person will help you.
Okay, acha.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Money.
How much money?
वो तो पहले गया.
To Kisthwar?
7-15 दे minimum 1,000.
1,000? Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
I mean dangerous.
This dangerous. Why? Why dangerous? Fall. Big rocks. Fall. Yeah.
I mean fish.
Fish? You fish? Big fish? Small fish?
Big.
Big fish. Like this? Okay. Hello, sir. Hello. What's your name? Nam. What's your name?
नाम पूछ रहा है नाम.
What's your name? Nam.
असलम.
Aslam. Aslam. Okay.
वहाँ छोड़ना इसको जहाँ सामान मिलेगा. ठीक है.
चलो.
2 क्विंटल हम लोगों से नहीं उठेगा यार. तो देखना. बस.
ऊपर जाओ राजू.
चला गया.
तेरे को ले जाएगा अभी है.
धन्यवाद भाई साहब. धन्यवाद. I feel so useless. I'm not doing much. The locals, they're doing everything.
गाड़ी गिरनी
I'm
नहीं
so grateful.
अरे मैं यार मैं क्या बता.
Hello.
तो बिल्डिंग वाले फोन कर मैंने बोला.
I feel so useless. The locals are doing everything. They're taking me to the showroom. Apparently there's a hero showroom in Kisthwar. Hero showroom in Kisthwar?
हाँ.
Okay, अच्छा. चलो.
I mean contact.
Contact.
इसके साथ.
Finish. Okay, thank you for your help. Let me give you some money.
नहीं हमें नहीं मनी.
Small money.
नहीं
Small money. Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
कैश थी कितनी है?
Yes. Bye. Here? Wow, looks like a spider web. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Here.
एमसीएल इसको बिल्कुल बंद कर देंगे इसको.
Seal? नहीं seal, नहीं new.
न्यू अवेलेबल नहीं उसको.
Jamu.
रखा है मैंने.
Order, yes, no, new. Order. I wait here.
चलेगा बाद में.
नहीं MCL. Seal, no. I want, no problem. I want new part.
फिर ये रखना पड़ेगा.
Stay here. I can stay here. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, no problem. I stay here.
कोई 6-7 डे.
6-7 day. Because I don't want to damage the engine. No.
We apply an MCL on this.
Yes, but I don't want to damage the engine. Because
They
I
can't damage it. Then they can't damage it. MCL is the best option.
You sure? Please take. Please. Okay, thank you, sir.
Come.
Thank you, sir.
आपका चुकोड़ का सर. चल ठीक. But the best solution is that you can fix it with MCL. But every 50 kilometers you can take rest by, because if engine can heat up, they will blast again.
ओमेता रोड कहाँ?
अच्छा ये इसका जिसको ये बाइक का यार ये पार्ट नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ, इसको उधमपुर ही जाना पड़ेगा। मगर प्रमोशन क्यों सेम हैं? थाक्शन क्यों टुकमो?
Hey my friend, thank you for your help. You, both of you, thank you so much. These guys really helped me. They were on the scene. They helped me organize transport with the local here. Quartz is good. Nice to meet you.
Go back to home, okay?
Thank you so much for your help.
I'll call you after some time.
Yes, text me. Thank you guys. Bye. Nice to meet you. Okay. Cello. Hamza. You know Hamza? By the mosque. Hello. Where do I even begin? Here's the latest update. It's 3:30. The guys at the mechanic shop said that it would take 2 weeks to order the part to get here. It's better and faster, and they have the part if I go to Udhampur, and cheaper. A platform would cost me about 100 euros equivalent. From here to there is like 4 hours, 150 kilometers. And they're applying this wonder substance called MCL. It's a 2-part epoxy, I guess, I don't know. They're gonna put new oil and let the epoxy cure for the next 1.5 hours. That's how long they said it takes to cure. Every 50 kilometers, stop for at least half an hour, maybe even 45 minutes. Everyone has been so helpful. Honestly, I just felt like a damsel in distress. Everybody was helping me. Everybody was, calling each other and organizing everything for me. I'm so grateful. I'll update you when I get back to the mechanic shop. 20 minutes. Okay, acha. Oil and go. Okay. I need to pay you. Kitna rupee pay for your service? How much?
Oil payment boss.
Huh?
Engine oil.
Engine oil. Yes. How much payment?
465.
465. Okay. Will you give me a little bit of extra oil for me, extra to take on the road? No need take extra oil? No need? You sure? Okay.
Udhampur.
Change oil.
Agency.
Yes, change oil. New oil. Okay.
Oil चल जाएगा, oil change नहीं करना है.
No change oil.
Oil वो चल जाएगा.
Okay.
एक मिनट.
Yes, no.
नहीं अभी डाल दूँ.
Okay. You tell me when. You tell me. Okay, अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. Tomorrow early morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Prepare it again. Udhampur and best mechanic.
Udhampur hero mechanic, yes. Motorcycle doctor. Chuck, okay. For you. Yes. Yes. No. Please. You keep. Please. No. It's okay. It's okay. This for me for hotel enough, and I go. Okay. Bye. Thank you. What? I just wasted a day and I'm gonna waste another day tomorrow. But it's all good, that's life, I guess. I'm so okay, like it was my bad, I fucked up. And I've just been helped all this time, all along the way, helped left, right and center by all these kind people. Yeah, Jammu people, you've got a lot to be proud of. Like, if everyone else is like this, I'm very happy here in Jammu and Kashmir, very happy. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I don't know. I hope I make it to Udhampur with an engine, with all the oil in the crankcase in the engine. And anyway, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one.